Hi viewers, welcome to Cyber World Technologies. If you want to get my latest updates first into your mail, please subscribe to my channel and click on this bell icon.
Hello guys, welcome to Cyber World Technologies. Now let's go into the topic. Yes, always we search about free apps and disappoints the app is in paid version. Yes, no more long for the disappointments. Yes, let's start. Now let's see about the paid apps. Yes, let's search about my favorite app in watching videos. My favorite app is MX Player, and now let's search for it. And yes, opening. Yes, it's a free version, and now let's search for a pro version. Yes, these are the MX Player Pro. Yes, here this is the MX Player Pro version. Yes, here price 370 rupees, not even a 10 or 20, it's 370. Now let's see how to get it for free. Yes, it's called acmarket. Yes, now let's open it. Yes, this is the app which will give you free paid apps for free. Yes, these are the so many apps that are in Play Store, and apps that are not in Play Store also available here. Now let's search. Yes, now let's search for MX Player. It shows here, and click it. And now see here, it's a modded version, means cracked pro version. So this is here. See the features of the pro version. Yes, here all the features of this pro version. You can see all these. And now let's go for the app. Let's download it. Let's click on the download button. It starts downloads. It will show a notification like downloading. Yes, it started downloading. Yes, and one more feature here. After downloading, it will automatically opens installer. See here, it's downloaded, and it will automatically open the installer. So click on install. It's installing. It's going on install. Yes, it's installed. Now click on done. Let's go to the play. Yes, now let's check, is it installed or not. Yes, come on. Yes, MX Player. And open it, and let's search for version. And yes, you can see here it's installed. It's showing install. And now let's go for the app MX Player Pro. Yes, it's here. It's successfully installed on my device. It will ask for versions. Yes, it's here. And this is the pro version without ads. You can see here the pro version features. These are all the pro version features. You can see more. Now let's go to the our app acmarket. Let's explore that. And now let's once check again Play Store for paid apps. Yes, here. Let's first check about education. It's the most important part of our life, most important to our students. Yes, now let's go for top paid. Yes, it's here, and these are the paid apps, top paid apps for in educational category. Yes, here see them. There are so many of the apps in paid versions. Some afford them and some can't. So you see, yes, there are so many. And let's try one app. And yes, it's vocabulary.com. I think it gives this vocabulary words, and now let's search it on acmarket. Vocabulary. Let's see again. Exact spelling. Yes, again. Yes, vocabulary.com. Yes, it's shown. Now let's click it. Yes, here you can download it for free. Yes, you can see the features and all that. And if you click on the download button, it will downloads. Yes, now let's see some again in Play Store. Yes, there are so many of the apps are paid. Yes, here so many of. So you can download them for free in acmarket. Yes, and Play Store. There are so many apps. Yes. Yes, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends, and please subscribe my channel Cyber World Technologies.